Hello. So you're face to face with the Aeroshock, and the Qunari are getting you down. What do? Open up the console. And you go bowling for Ferelden. Come here, get back here, come here. Oh! Hey, woohoo! Yeah! Oh! I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Hey, come here. Ah! 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 Oh, Aeroshock, you're a bit far away. And that is how you deal with Qunari, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Yes, that is a woman.